You know, I've been waiting patiently for weeks for the rain, for my flowers and my grass seed. It's been so dry. In the summer and fall, it was 90 degrees. It was nice to have a pool. It was refreshing, but I got out and I dried without the use of a woven towel my grandmother made for me. She made it knits. She knitted it with her hands, her wrinkly hands. She was a nurse in World War I. My grandmother was a nurse in World War I. In other news, I'm running for the mayor of this township of Elyria, Ohio, home of the Pioneers and the Catholic school, the Panthers. There's a rivalry, I've heard, where during football season, they fight. One is green, one is red. We love Christmas time. I love Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer. He had a very shiny nose, and the other reindeer wouldn't let him play reindeer games. Monopoly, Jenga, Life, Uno, Taboo, Sorry. So many games Rudolph couldn't play all because he had a red nose, but at the end of the day, he got to lead Santa in the sleigh.